Hello everyone. Today we have problems with our generator on a 190 Road Tech Popular. The generator for sitting for a long time and doesn't start. We have generator. It's 2800 kilowatt Onan. I think it's a Cummins, and it doesn't start. What we're going to do today, we're going to fix it, because usual problems with this generator, it's a carburetor. A carburetor for sitting for a long time, it's exposed to atmospheric air from outside, and the fuel, light particles, is evaporating, and heavy stuff, because our fuel not good, sitting on the walls, on the on the needles, and everywhere. First, what we should do, we should drain from the carburetor, access the fuel, old fuel. What we just need regular wrench on 17 millimeters. Okay, let's go. I'll show you how to drain this fuel. Okay, right now we have this tool. It's a 17 millimeters, and we're going to drain the fuel. What we're going to do, we're going to untie it underneath of the carburetor. And okay, this bolt we loosen, and it start dripping the oil, and not oil, the fuel, the old fuel. It smells bad. It's not like it smells like regular fuel. It smells like old fuel. And when all fuel is gone, we're going to tie down. Now what we're going to do, we're going to start our generator and see if it's starting. Okay, now the generator is start, but it's surging. When we apply the load, the generator is surging. What it tells us, the some parts inside still have the gum from the old fuel. What we're going to do, we're going to use some additives, mixing together with gasoline, and we're going to disconnect one fuel line between the main fuel tank and generator, and we're going to connect temporary fuel line with our mixture. Right now we're going to mix our fuel. Okay, today I'm going to use seafoam. This is a motor treatment. It's for clean injectors and clean carburetor jets. What we need for carburetor jets, because our jets looks like when going unload, it's surging. We're going to put this one. What we're going to do, we're not going to use this instruction which says here. We're going to use 50-50. We're going to use one portion of this one and one portion gasoline. We're going to mix. If you don't have seafoam, you can use any fuel treatment which cleans carburetors, any of them. Just use 50-50, and we will explain later how to do it. Our mixture is ready, and what we're going to do, we're going to put temporary fuel line. We're going to use it, and this part we're going to connect it. We're going to connect it to the generator. We're going to disconnect our main line, and we're going to connect this one. And okay, I'm gonna okay, right now we disconnected the fuel line from the fuel tank, and we're going to bring our temporary fuel line with our mixture, and we're gonna connect over here. We're gonna connect over here. This is our temporary fuel line. We're gonna connect in the generator, and we're gonna run our generator for about 15 minutes even, and we're gonna sit for 5 minutes to fuel to stay in the carburetor to make this gunk loose, and we're gonna repeat a few times. Okay, our mixture is ready, and right now we're going to connect the we're going to start the generator and run about 15 minutes, and later we're gonna leave it for soaking to make our mixture to penetrate all this build up inside the carburetor and jets. Okay.
Start it on the inside, not from here. Or not. Wait, it's just get a good angle.
Okay, now we're going to start it. Okay, now our generator is running, and we're gonna wait 15 minutes. If you can hear, it's surging, and we're gonna see what's gonna happen, if it's gonna work or not. Okay, see you in 15 minutes. Running. See, some kind of water coming from the... Before was no water, right now it's the water coming. I don't know why.